why is it so hard to get a U.S. tourist or business-related visa? And that's the B1, B2 visa. I'm Attorney Pandeli, and I'm here at the headquarters of Alien Attorney. And let me give you a general understanding around the visitor visa. So first, the visitor visa, it's one of the easiest visas that takes the least amount of time to get a sense of whether you're going to get it or not. And so as a result, and because it doesn't require a qualifying relationship in the United States, you don't need a relative or a business or an employer to sponsor you. It's really easy to request it. And so as a result, because the barrier to entry is really low, a lot of people apply for this type of visas, okay? Now, because a lot of people apply, and most of them, well, first, they don't have a lot of the know-how, they get rejected, okay? So they will be rejected a lot more than maybe for other types of visas. Is there a quota for this visa? No, there's no quota per se. But here's what does happen. So countries where the US gives these visitor visas and notices that a lot of people are not returning, they become a lot more strict with these visas. Because in essence, what people are doing is people are telling the US government, listen, I'm going only for 3 months and then I'm returning, and then they end up staying. And so that's fraudulent in some respect. And so then the US just restricts access to this visa and the number of people that can have it. So wherever you have embassies and consulates that have a high, what we call a high fraud rate, or the intent changes once the person arrives in the United States, that's where you'll have also the biggest constriction of these types of visas. Another reason why these visas get denied a lot is because the people that apply, they don't understand the requirements of this visa, okay? You don't necessarily need they will ask you for a purpose of travel, but you don't need a detailed plan of what you need to do while you're in the United States. What you do need, and that has to be quite detailed, or at least in the way that you put it, in front of the official, is that you do need to detail you not abandoning the current residence that you have in the current country where you are, in your country of origin. And so you need to show that you have a non-immigrant intent. The way that you show you have a non-immigrant intent is by presenting to them evidence and facts that suggest that, oh yeah, you're not going to leave all this so you can stay in the United States. So you have this this intention to return, and that's done with, you have property in the country of origin, you have a house in the country of origin, you have family that you're leaving behind in the country of origin, you have a job that you're leaving behind in the country of origin. And there's a bunch of other things that could be done. And so when you understand the non-immigrant intent of this visa and put forth the requisite documentation, it can really improve your chances of getting this visa. Again, high fraud countries are going to be a lot tougher than, say, Germany. Germany has a visa waiver program, so technically you don't even need a visa. But then some of these countries that don't require either don't require the visa, or the countries where you can go and get a visa and it's a lot easier to get it. And so that gives you a general sense of why visitor visas are so tricky and they're so difficult. And so if you want to increase your chances, and in law, especially in immigration law, it's all about increasing your chances of receiving a benefit. Give us a call, reach us out through our website or through the links here, and we'll see what we can do to help. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe or hit the like button if you like the content, and if you didn't, tell us in the comments below why or what we can do to improve. We appreciate your attention. Thank you.